What's up, y'all? The way I got some just a message real quick. The way y'all should be trying to build y'all income on y'all finances is to like create multiple streams of income. Like I know I talk about this all the time, but that should be your goal, is to create money that will create passive income that will pay your bills for you. Like create different avenues that will pay your bills. Like you don't want to be out here like working to pay your bills, you know what I'm saying? But you do want to invest and create different avenues that will pay your bills for you. So if you go and work, you'll be working just for money, just like, you know, for your everyday necessaries, like clothes and shoes. It won't be for your bills. It won't be because you won't be working to keep your livelihood going. You know what I'm saying? But that is my advice. Like work towards save your money, invest in your money. So in your long term, your passive income will pay your car notes, your rent, whatever your light bills, your necessary bills. But I'm like really like your rent and your car note. And if you have enough, it'll pay like your utilities as well. So that should be your goal. Okay, like that should be your goal. Your goal should not be to live from check to check. No, your goal should be looking for ways to invest, to create passive income. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Look at your budget, your life budget. Like budget your life. I see like how much money I need to survive monthly. It's so important to write down your next to your budget. It's so important to see what you need to make it every month. Like calculate all your expenses. You know what I'm saying? And I don't even include your clothes stuff. Include like your bills, like, you know, like rent, car note, insurance, any necessary bill. It's how much you need every month to pay those expenses. And then start working towards passive income.